What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be giving away 10 spots to the LCBvault completely for free. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, what I want to say is Happy New Year. Now, I hope you did have a fantastic Christmas considering everything that's going on in the world right now, but nevertheless I wanted to say Happy New Year. And I'm going to be giving away 10 spots of the LCBvault completely for free. Now, all you have to do, it's going to be first come, first serve. So once these 10 spots have gone, that's it. I'm not giving away any more spots in the LCBvault. But what you want to do, all you have to do, is click that link in the description below, go through to the LCBvault and claim your free spot while you can. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is set up a brand new discount. So this is only going to be available for 10 spots. So I've taken away the actual price. So after the discount, it's going to be completely zero. So this discount, the link will be in the description down below. The link will bring you straight to here and it's going to say zero just here. So again, this is only for the first 10 people. If you're after the 10 people, then I'm really sorry that you didn't actually get this, but better luck next time. Anyway, so what you're going to be able to do is get this completely for free. You're going to get access to all of the LCBvault, all of the 4 courses within the vault as well, and the private Facebook group. So even though it's going to be free, if you click that link down in the description below, and if you're one of the first 10 people, you're just going to get access to absolutely everything for free. Now, if we go over to here to the LCBvault and actually go through some of the modules, you're going to see what you get if you did hurry up and manage to get this completely for free. Again, there's only 10 spots available, but this is what you get. You get all of these videos. So if we scroll down, you get, hold on, let's go up a little bit more. You get 75 videos just within the LCBvault, and then you get Q4 Profits, another little mini course. You also get Kids LCB just here, another little mini course, and then our brand new course as well, which is just here, which is Simple Colouring Books. So 4 courses for the price of nothing. Again, click that link down in the description below and make sure you're one of the first 10 people to actually claim the vault for free. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.